the video up. Okay. Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I am going to show you guys how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game, as you read in the title. Okay, so what I have are songs, but whatever. So in the first link in the description, I will have the Gorilla Locomotion and the Photon VR in there. So yeah. Actually, I won't have the Gorilla Locomotion. You're gonna have to go to your browser, whichever one you're using. I use Microsoft Edge, and you have to search up Gorilla Locomotion GitHub, and you will get another Axiom Gorilla Locomotion. Okay. After that, you go in your game, import package, Gorilla Locomotion, double click it. I can't do it because I have all my stuff already, so yeah. But first, before you do anything, go to project settings. So you go to edit and then project settings. I am on a laptop, just to tell you. Go to XR plugin management. It'll say install right here or something. And then after that, go to this one, click open XR. And then go to OpenXR, set single pass to multipass, single pass to multipass. And then you want to click this on that and set it to Oculus Touch controller. Go to here, set it to that too. And if you want, you can do that and that. And then go back to XR plugin management. At one point, it will tell you to restart your thing. I think it's when you put OpenXR in. Can't remember though. And then you click Oculus on this one, and then it'll bring this up. You want to go back to this, and then Android settings, check it on. No, we just unselected it, bro. Yeah, redo that. But also you have to enable low overhead mode on the Oculus tab, or the GLES. And then after that, I think you're good. And if you want it to be easier for you, also you need to go to Asset Store. Search online. So when you get teleported here, you want to search up pun. Not this or this. This one. The Pun 2 multiplayer free. This one's the free one and not the $95 one. But this one only gets you 20 players, just to tell you. This one, no. Okay, after you install that, it'll say view in Unity, and then you want to import, and then search up Photon, and then not this, but this. Photon Voice 2. Okay? You want to, same thing. So I click it. It says open in Unity, actually, not view. Moderate range starting in 15 minutes. Okay. That's just my radar thing. Oh, also I got banned from live streaming for a while. Oh. So after that, your stuff will be imported, and you want to come here, go to Pun Wizard, or I think it opens manually. just for the purposes of this video, this is actually my game that I'm making, so I will not do this, but what you want to do, what did I just do? So what you want to do on Pun Wizard, what the close tab. Let me open it back up again. So what you want to do is set up project. I'm not going to do this because it has my actual photon thing. But after you do that, it will say something. And in the link in my description, I will have Photon VR's GitHub thing. So you can do that. Or I'm making a Discord server, so I will have it in the link in the description. I will have the link in the description. So yeah, guys. Oh, also, if you don't want to like build like every single like block by one, you want to come here, click packages, and then click Unity registry, and then type Pro Builder. It's refreshing for some reason. One sec. There it is. Pro Builder, import, or install. I don't remember which one it is. It'll take a couple seconds or minutes depending on what PC you have. I am on a pretty bad laptop. As you can see, one second. Go here. I have a 3.7 gigabyte. It said it came as a 4 gigabyte, but it didn't. But also, if you don't want to build a lot, you can start from this. Like, this actually sets everything up, I'm pretty sure, for you, so no. It's still missing script. Why does it miss my script sometimes? Oh, that's how you do that? Right hand transform. Okay. And then if you want, you can just use this and expand it. And you can just press play like I am. And yeah, I'll do a separate video on how to add a player model to your game. So if you guys want that, I'm gonna make a separate video for that. If you guys want. Also, my play mode takes like a couple minutes for some reason. But as you can see, you click on left hand controller. And you can move around. This is my game, by the way. Wait, I'm gonna change some textures. Oh yeah, guys, if you want some textures, go online and search for like pixelized things. And then, yeah, they might have it. Not for rock. There we go. Very well done. I need to change the timing on it. Dang it. if you guys don't know how to set them up, you can go here. I think you click that. Yeah. And then you can change the smoothness or anything. You can change the tiling to make it look a lot better, as you can see. Like 9.9 is what I normally do because it looks so much better. If I could playtest right now, I would, but my PC would like die because it's a laptop on not even 4 gigs of RAM. I have like a couple hours till a big storm hits me. Wish me luck. I really hope I live. uh, but yeah. So you want to go to left hand or right hand controller, whichever hand you're moving. Bro, why is my head? Why is my VR not VR, my TV going? Look, I'm moving in the bottom. That's my thing. So that's my body is what I mean. And then you can also lift up. My camera's right there. If you want to disable gizmos so you don't see this camera thing, click this right here. Oh god. What just happened? I'm in 2D, bro. I'm in 2D. Okay. Should I make a 2D game for VR though? That'd be sick. But if you guys want to see my player model, here. Here it is. You like it? Yeah, you do. I know you do. This is actually the first time it's been like this. It's so fast right now. Like, it's never been this fast. It's kind of weird, actually. Look, you can see the ball right there. If you want to disable the spears when you have a, thing, you can just click spear. Don't click this or else collisions will not work at all. You just want to click mesh renderer. And look, that was my left hand. And see. Wait, what? I am so confused. Where is it? Oh, I'm so high up. I'm so confused. So if you ever add a player model, which I'm gonna make a video on, you can disable it, but I would recommend using it for some other stuff. But here's how you use Pro Builder. Okay, so let's close that. Okay, I didn't even realize. So what you want to do, you go right here. You see no, Pro Builder. Why did I go to XR? You press cube. Not 2. Can I stop clicking 2? By the way, if you don't know, 2 makes it go 3D, 2D, or also 3D at the same time. So you click 2 once, you go 2D, click it again, 3D. if you didn't know that. And then you want to open Pro Builder, smoothing, and then you can close that right back up. But don't close this one. Control E is how you extrude. So if you want to select some certain parts, see? So, yeah. And then you have all these also. Pro Builderize. This makes it so you can actually make this Pro Build instead. So you can edit it. Okay. And that's how you make a Gorilla Tag fan game. Next video will be how to not make a player model, put in your player model. Okay. I'm gonna go record the other video now. Bye.